position, it just threw me off, and because it's wet, I just flew off. The car's been doing good, bro. The car has been doing real solid, real good. Luckily, as it started raining, all I had to do was get fuel, which I did, so we're good to go. Yo, yes, everyone, what's going on? So out here again at Ebisu Circuit, bruv. And luckily today, Nishi course is open, fam. So out here drifting with the JX100 on Nishi. It's raining and it's wet out here today, but that's okay because your boy just put on some fresh, brand new 235 40 17-inch Kendo KR20s on the rear of the car. On the front, I still have the Velino 08Rs at 160 kPa, and my rears are on 200 kPa because it is raining and I need all that grip, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, usually Nishi course is closed, but it's open today, and fortunately for us, we have Lono FPV out here again, gonna grab some amazing drone shots, you get me? So enough talking, let's go quickly throw down some practice laps, get a feel for the rain and that, and then we'll come back. Alright, so I feel like I know where the super wet spots are, the not as wet spots are, and the main plan is I'm trying to take the outside edge, the outside line. We've been doing that quite a lot in most recent rounds on Nishi. They've been taking the outside line. So I just want to challenge myself, try ride the outside edge, you know what I'm saying? So now that I've had the practice, I'm warmed up, the car's warmed up, I know exactly what everything is on the track. Let's go out there and see if we can throw down some real nice spicy shots. And of course, we'll spice in some of Lono's FPV footage as well. Jeez. So the car's been doing good, bruv. The car has been doing real solid, real good. I'm happy with the way it feels on full lock. It's so funny because that last corner, that last edge is so slow because you're on the outside edge where it's all the water is and everything, and you're just like, just like so slow. But I'm looking outside like my driver's window, just like, oh my God, I must be on that edge. Hopefully you guys saw it real nice in the drone footage, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, it's dried up a little bit now. So yeah, maybe we'll go to another track. Maybe we'll go up to North, pump up the tires a little bit, then go up to North. But then because North is so high up in comparison to Nishi, North might still be wet. You know what I'm saying, bro? I wish I had one of those little motorized tire pumpy thingies. Tire pumpy. Wow, good job. All right, so I pumped my tire pressures up and we're out here right now on North Course, you get me? North Course. I do love this track, it's a good track, and there are quite a few cars here today, as you guys can see. There's a couple more behind the Alpha/Vilfire that you can't see as well. So yeah, so let's go and quickly test the track conditions, make sure everything's all good, get out there, make sure we got the right tire pressure, and then we'll see what we can do after that, bruv. Alright, so that was banging, that was sick, tire pressures felt good, maybe a little bit too low for doing this on pad 2. For some reason the car wants to straighten up. It's a nice Sora just there doing this thing. So yeah, bruv, now we're waiting for Show to come up in his JZX 100 Cresta, and we're gonna do some tandems, bruv. So I'm gonna try and chase him. His car is more powerful than mine. I think it's around 400 horsepower, but I'll try my best to keep up. And he's gonna chase me, and London's gonna grab some amazing footage from the drone, and it's just gonna be a mad thing, cuz. You know what I'm saying? Less talking, more driving. Jeez. Alright, so that was a mad thing, cuz he was right on my door and I was still a little bit too far away. So he's going to go change his tires so we can do some more tandems. And London FPV is going to save his batteries for when we do tandems. But I want to go out now and just have a little more of a play with these grip levels. It's been a long time since I've run fresh new tires, you get me? So I'm going to go out there, set up some cameras around the track, and let's go have some fun, bro. Jeez. Fam, them runs were spicy, and Lono got some footage outside the car as well, like a bad man. Taking that main corner, bro, there was some spicy reverse entries there where they were on song the whole time. Oh my days. So show's back now, but I need to go and rotate my tires and get some more fuel. And I've got about 50 minutes until Ebisu Circuit closes. So I need to stop talking to you and I need to run down, sort that out. Hopefully be back in 30 minutes, and for the last 20 minutes, we'll just go hard, you get me? So yeah, sheesh. Luckily, as it started raining, all I had to do was get fuel, which I did. So we're good to go. Less talking. Let's just go, fam. We've got about 20 minutes left or something. I don't know how it happened, but my passenger side rear tire went flat, and when I tried to transition, it just threw me off, and because it's wet, I just flew off, and yeah, my bumper came off. I'll go on this side. My bumper came off, and my exhaust came off the hanger. But yeah, I'll get that sorted tomorrow. For now, I'm just gonna put it away, but let me show you what happened. So yeah, tire went flat here. I don't know if I hit something that pierced it or whatever, I have no idea, but it's gone flat. And really and truly, I should have stopped and come in, because then this wouldn't have happened, but it's all right. Luckily, this is all connected by cable ties, so the cable ties just broke, as you can see here. So I can get that fixed. I'll probably do it tomorrow. I'll come tomorrow, get it all fixed. This came a little bit loose, but I think it was always like that, so that's all right. And yeah, if we go underneath, we can see that my exhaust is on the left side, but it should be on the right side. I think the hanger just came off, or maybe I broke something. Let's pop the engine bay and have a quick look. Have a look. Doesn't seem to be anything broken, but it's pretty hard to tell. Yeah, I think it's all right. Just get that sorted up tomorrow. Hopefully when it's not raining or something like that. But yeah, that's all right. That's all good. So yeah, guys, what an absolutely mega day of drifting. There should be some cool FPV footage. Your boy was swinging it super fast on North, and we actually got to drive Nishi because it's always closed, always rented out or something. So yeah, bro, see what I'm saying? I'm out here getting wet. I will fix that tomorrow, probably. But yeah, hit that like button, subscribe, do all that jazz, and your boy will catch you next time. Jeez. Should have just stopped the lap early, bro. I wouldn't have to fix anything. Oh my goodness.